What's up, you guys? Back with another video of me attempting to grow my glutes before the summer. This video is going to be 1 minute and we're going to focus on 3 moves: squats, adjustable hip thrusts, and RDLs. Now that our belt is on, we're going to be hitting our thrust, and with each thrust, we are going to squeeze and hold for 1 second and repeat that process over and over again, and you will start to feel that burning sensation in your glutes if you are doing them properly. Repeat these steps daily if you are looking to grow your glutes. I recommend the hip thrusts. They have worked wonders for me, and this is the RDLs as well.